What is Docker? It's a platform to develop, ship, and run applications in containers. Containers are lightweight, portable units that package your application and its dependencies. Docker uses a client-server architecture. The Docker client communicates with the Docker daemon. Docker images are the blueprints for containers. They define what software is included. With a simple command, you can create and run containers from images. Docker offers benefits like portability, scalability, and application isolation. Unlike traditional VMs, Docker containers share the host OS, making them more efficient. What is Kubernetes? It's an orchestration platform for managing containerized applications. Kubernetes automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized apps. While Docker packages applications, Kubernetes manages and orchestrates them. Key components include pods, nodes, and services, each playing an important role. Together, Docker and Kubernetes empower developers to build scalable and resilient applications. Want to dive deeper? Stay connected with our YouTube channel for more tutorials on Docker and Kubernetes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions below.